Hi, all, let's start. Right. So, guys, any questions so far, guys? Are you okay? Right. So, let's start. Yeah. So, today we'll start with phone tap, guys. Right. Phone tap, guys. That means we schedule jobs. Right. So, Linux, we schedule the jobs. For example, some backups jobs. Right. Kubernetes. Right. So, Kubernetes, guys, there's a component called etcd, guys. Right. This one we schedule backup, guys. Right. Right. Schedule backup. Linux we use cron tab. Right. Or cron table, guys. Right. So we call cron table. Right. 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 Uh, there's a cron file. The particular user should be enabled, guys. Right. Right. Wait, let me check this file. Right. So guys, yeah, cron.log, right? Right. So this file, the particular username should be enabled, guys. That means admin should place, say for example, Ravi may run cron jobs or schedule jobs, right? Kamal, right? Raj, right? All these users schedule jobs, guys, right? So particular user call, let's say Vima. So Vimal username is not here, guys. Right? Not inside this file, guys. Can Vimal schedule, guys? No. No, guys. Right? The reason is the Vimal username not exist inside this file. Right? Right. Can Vimal schedule? No. What about Ravi Kamal Raj? Yes. Right? They allow, guys. Right? Right. So who create this file, guys? Admin, huh? Right. Right. So let's say let me put Ubuntu also. Right? Minus cell, guys, lists. Right? So minus cell. List down the job. Right? Can Raj list down the job? Yes. Can Ubuntu list down the job? Yes. Right? edit. You can edit the job, right? You can remove, guys. So if you want to delete a particular job, you can remove, guys. The scheduled jobs, right? Right. Now his question is, can Ravi list down Kamal job? Can Kamal list down Raj job? No, guys. No. That you logged in as Ravi, you list down your job, guys. Right? Can you list down Kamal's job? No. Right? Right. What about administrator? Right? The root user. Last class we discussed the root and all, the three root and all, right? Right. What about admin, guys? Can admin list down Ravi's job, Kamal's job, Raj job, Ubuntu job? Yes. Right? Come on. Here, I logged in as administrator. Right? I would like to log in Kamal's job. Can he delete? Yes, he can. What about Raj, guys? Right? Here, I logged in as Raj and remove Ravi's job. No, guys. Right? So here the username as admin, right? The meantime, guys, the 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 service also enable, guys. Right? Cron service also should be started, right? If you if you disable the particular service, then can you schedule jobs? No, right? The particular service also should be enabled. It should be started, right? Right. So last class we discussed how to start a service, stop the service, restart the service, reload, right? Enable, disable the services, right? Right. Those things we discussed, right? So let's schedule a job, guys, right? So here I logged in as what user, guys, Ubuntu, right? Right. So here as administrator, guys, we will discuss sudos. Don't worry, right? We'll discuss sudo. Right? Let me create a file called hello, guys. Right? Uh, okay, sorry. Touch is a command to create file, isn't it, guys? Right? Right. So here, let's put some users, right? So let me put Ubuntu, Arabi, Kamal, whatever name, right? Okay. So guys, don't be create deny, guys. Then the particular users won't run, right? Right. So cron tab allow who creates this file administrate, right? Right. Now guys, cron tab cron cron tab minus L, right? Can I list down, guys? Can I list down? Yes, right? No cron tab for Ubuntu, guys, right? Right now, no scheduled jobs. right? No scheduled jobs, guys. Say, no cron table, tapping table, right? Right. So let's schedule a job, guys. Right? Right. So first of all, let me create a yeah. Let me create a file. So let's check KCR3 files here. Okay, there are some files. Okay. Let's create a shell script, sh. So what about this file, guys? It's a normal file, right? So here sh means shell script, right? So here is done, right? It's done, guys, right? So let's put some command inside, guys, or write a shell script, right? So if you are familiar with shell script, let's try it, right? Right. So let me put some commands here, right? Echo means display, guys, right? Okay, so if you want to display something, we use echo, right? Right. So it's something like this, right? So guys, can we run this file? Can we run this file, guys? No, right? Right. Or you have to give execute permission, guys, right? The particular file, you have to give executable permission X. Who run, guys? Who run this file? Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a user, right? chmod, the user, guys, you have to add executable permission X, right? X, something like this. Or if you want, you put like this 777, right? Something like this, right? Otherwise, particular user, you have to add executable permission X, the file name, guys, right? Now LSNC, guys, LSNC. See the color of the file, guys. It's in green in color. It's in green, guys. Right? That means this file run. We can run this file. The Python also, guys, once we write Python programs, you have to give X permission. For whom? User Ubuntu. Right? That's what you guys. Right? Adding this one to the particular user. Right? Then the file becomes executable file. Right? We can run this file, guys. Now see, guys, dot slash, right? Can we run this file? Yes. So here we got the output, guys. Here we got the output. Echo, we displaying something, today date. So it displays the date command, right? So what is this shell script, guys? So echo means display, guys. So it's going to display this one. It's going to display this one. It's a command. Date is a command. It should run. That's the reason we got the date output here, guys. Clear, guys? So can we automate, guys? Can we automate this one? Shell script. So if you want to automate, then we use cron tab. Then we use cron tab, guys. Let me automate. So I want to run this one, guys. I want to run this file every 1 minute. Right? Every 1 minute. Or every hour. Every week. Right? Right. So here, guys. Right. So guys, cron tab. Right? So we set timing, guys. Right? So we set timing. So minutes, hour, a day of month, something like this. We set some time, right? We set some time, guys, right? Right. Our requirement is run this file every minute. Right? So run this file every minute, guys. Right? Every minute. So it's minute. So let me put like this. So here I logged in as Ubuntu cron tab -e, guys. Edit. List down. Remove. Right? Let me put e. Edit. Right? So here, so let me choose the editor number 2. Right? Something like this. Right? Okay. So here the minutes, right? So these are some examples here, right? Right. I would like to run every 1 minute. So right. The command, right? So hello.sh, right? So I would like to run hello.sh, or let's say is the Kubernetes backup script, right? Every minute, right? Oh, wait, guys. So here is the online cron table. So here we generate times, guys. We generate time. So here, so if we put like this, guys, if we put like this, the hour 4:05, right? So every day, a particular time is going to run, guys. Something like this. Say So if you put like this, so what is this one, guys? Every minute. So it's going to run every minute, right? So if you put like this, at every minute past 1 hour, right? So something like this, guys, right? We can adjust the time using this online editor, sorry, online cron table. We schedule time, guys, something like this, right? So, right, something like this, right? Right. So this command, sorry, this script file is going to run every 1 minute. Clear, guys? Right? Yeah. So here, this output, I would like to forward to another file, guys. Right? Right? So there's the output, guys. Right? So once this file runs, it gives some output. The output forward to this one, guys. So here, standard output, STD means standard output, right? So the one arrow sign, the output goes to the particular file, guys. Right? Right. Every 1 minute, we get some output. Right? So if you put like this, right, the system is going to remove the previous output, guys. Let's say we get some output X, right? Another 1 minute time, system removes X and put new X, guys. Another 1 minute time, again remove X and put X. So if you put double arrow, so it's something like this, X, 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 X. So it's going to append, right? Double arrow. So let's use a double arrow, guys, right? Not single arrow. Let's use double arrow, guys. Right? Yeah. Something like this. Right? So let's save this one. Let's save this one, guys. Right? Right. Now, now see, guys. LSNC. Uh, LSNC, guys. Wait. Now here guys, we got the hello dot log guys. Hello dot log. There's a file here guys. Hello dot log. Let me cat this file. Let me cat this file. Yes. Yes. What's that? No, wait. I think I didn't give the path, right? Can you see the output, guys? Right. So wait at the 1 minute time. See the time here, guys. Now we got the second output, guys. See, 6, 7, right? Let's wait. 8, 8 we get another output, guys. Right? Now say guys 8 every 1 minute, right? The file executes every 1 minute, guys. Look at here, guys. Say 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, guys. Something like this, right? Right. So let me press control, right? Set. Right. Control set or control C, right? Right. So here, so L list down, guys, right? So as a user, I can list down my jobs. Can I list down Kamal's job, Ravi's job? No, right? So here you have to give the script file full path, guys. Full path. Where is this file locates? Right? Home folder, Ubuntu folder. We have hello.sh. Right? The output goes to this file, guys. So let's see if the Python program, right, is generate some errors. Now my requirement is errors also goes to this file, guys. Right? So Java we have catch statement, right? Try and catch statement, right? Like that. Right here, the errors also goes to this file, guys. How can I make it, guys? Yes, we can make it, right? So we use file descriptors, right? So 0. So what is 0, guys? Standard input, guys. So what is errors, right? So we use file descriptors, right? So standard output, standard errors. Now our requirement is the program errors also goes to the file, guys, right? The errors also goes to this file, guys. Look at here. So let me put minus e edit, right? Right. So here, so errors means what, guys? Number 2, right? Errors means, so here, errors means number 2, guys, right? Is output, is there an input here? No, right? Right. Errors. Errors also redirect to the particular file. Redirect. Redirect, guys. Oh, append sign. Oh, append, double greater than sign, right? So here, redirect to the particular file, right? So we need the output also, guys. Right, okay. Plus, sorry. Wait, wait. Right. So we need the output also, right? Output one, guys. Okay. We need the output. Wait. And sign, right? A and B, right? B and C, right? We need the and we need the output one, right? We need the output also goes the file, right? Something like this, right? So here is, so is there any errors? Errors and the output both goes to errors and sign, huh? Right, now see guys, so if there an error comes, it also goes to the particular file. Okay. So here the particular script, right? Particular script, guys. So let's put like this, right? Wait, sometime. Yes, there's a question here. Uh, can you all hear me, guys? Can you all hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
All right, okay. So, right, so wait some time. Wait some time and wait, okay, wait. So, wait. Wait, I got stuck here, guys. Right. Okay, let me run this file. I try to make an error. So here, now we got some error, guys. Right? It's a line to unexpected end of file looking matching something, right? So this also goes to the file. right? So the right, something like this, right? Uh, right. Next one. Next one, let's discuss SCD, guys. Okay. So string to string, guys. String to string. Say, let's say the particular file you would like to change a particular word, guys. Word to another word. Let's say red to blue or something, right? Right. Right. Red to blue, guys. There are around 100 reds. All 100 reds should change to blue, guys. Right? We use SCD, guys. Strings, right? Right. Let's say that. So in this file, I would like to change all red to blue, guys. Right? And let's say we have around 100 reds, right? All 100 reds, one shot, change to blue, right? Right. So we use what, guys? Set SCD command, right? Right. So here, put like this. SCD, so a string, right? S red, we need blue, guys, right? And the file name, linux.txt or text file or whatever file, right? All red change to blue, now, right? Now see. Now see, guys, right? Uh, wait, yes. And now see guys, so what is the mistake we have done previously guys, right? The SCD string all, right? So here the red, all red changed to blue guys, right? The particular file. Previously, what is the mistake we have done? Why is that? So if you want so here you can pass global guys. So all file, right? So by default, all G mean global guys, right? So yeah, it works. Previously, what is the mistake? I think that there's a space here, guys. Most don't make more spaces, right? Right. Something like this. Now see, guys. This is the output. This is the output, right? Right. Meantime, cat the file. Cat the file and see. Yes, there's a question. Yeah. This is also the mistake. Yeah, the slash. Yes, you are correct. That's the slash, right? Put the slash, yeah. Right. There's a slash here, guys. Right. Right. So here the previous command, the slash is mistake. Right. I am put the slash. Okay. Let me simulate. Right. Right. So we got the same error here, guys. Right. Put the slash. Right. It's a mistake we have done. Nah? No, not space, guys. Not space. Slash. You are correct, right? And done, right? That, right? Now we got the output, right? Let me cut the file and see, guys. Let me cut the file. Right. So here the file still same. So what is the purpose we use? Cut display. Right? Let's display the file. The file remains same, guys. Red, blue, red, something like this. Here we got the output correctly. Here all red changed to blue. Yes, correct. But this changes not reflect to the file, guys. Isn't it, guys? Right? It. Hello. Right. So this changes, guys. Right? This changes not reflect to the file. Yes or no? Yes, right? Right. So how can we reflect these things here, guys? Right? Let me put insert. Right? All changes insert to the file. Right? 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 Now cat and see, guys. Now cat and see. So here all blue, guys. Right? Uh, okay, there's a question. So let me try. Let me try. Right. Again here, guys. The question is, how can we change to the particular column, right? Isn't it, guys? Right? Is that your question, right? So that means only change these two blue, guys. The second column only get blue, right? Not this red, not first column, right? Isn't it, guys? Yeah, right. So is your question, right? Right. Now see, guys. Let me try. So here the flags here, guys, right? Flags, global, I think in number, right? So wait, let me put like this, right? So number two, right? The second column only. The second column only get in red, right? Right. Now see, guys. Now let's let let's cut and see now, right? Let's cut and see. Uh, I had to try this one because so here uh, so I check this one. So So I'll check this one, right? Actually, it's something. So line 2, right? Sorry, column 2, right? Yeah. So this one I'll check. Right. So it's something std command dash, right? So it's right string, right? Right. Next one we will discuss zip, guys. Right? A zip, right? Yeah. So zip minus R, the recursive, right? Yeah. So we zip, guys, right? So zip, unzip. So Windows also we have zip, unzip, right? So recursive, the the entire folder, right? This one, Java web entire folder we zip, right? Right. So we zip to this file, right? So it's a folder is a file, is a file, right? Later you make this file, right? Okay, wait, the software not access here. Let me install zip, right? Now we are installing zip software. Right. Let me zip Java web, right? Now we are zipping, guys, right? So so here, so it's a zip file. It's a zip file, right? The backup of this folder, right? A backup of this folder, guys, right? Let me delete this one. Let me delete and restore the backup, right? So let me delete a folder, right? rm r recursive entire folder, right? R recursive. I mean all content inside the folder. Force, right? The folder name, right? Right. Now we have deleted. Now we have deleted Java web. So here, can you find out Java web here, guys? Can you find out Java web? No. Let me unzip from this file, guys. Let me unzip the particular folder from this file. Right? Unzip the file name. Right? Let me unzip. Right? Now go and check, guys. Again we here. Again we got the folder back. Right? Zip and unzip. Right? So what is the purpose we zip? So if you want to upload these things to a particular mail, right? Particular backup location, we zip and upload, right? So if you want to do tar, guys, right? Zip or tar, right? So tar, create, right? We create the tar file. It's also like zip file, right? Verbose message. So C for create, guys. B, the message verbose file, right? File name. Let's give Java back dot tar file, right? It's like zip files, right? So what is the folder here, guys? The entire folder, right? If you want to get backup entire folder or a particular folder only, guys. Okay. Let me try. Right. Now see, guys. So here the tar file is a tar file, right? Now delete this one, guys. Delete this one. RF, right? Now we have deleted Java web, guys. Now we have deleted, right? Let me restore, right? Let me extract, right? So let me extract tar, extract B, right? So here we get the verbose message, right? B, the file name, right? So what is the file name? Java back.tar, guys, right? Now see, guys, LSNC, again we got Java web, right? Folder, right? So we can zip or tar, right? Something like this, guys. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? Are we okay up to now? Are we okay? Any questions so far? All good, guys. Right? Everything fine, right? Right. Right. So these are some Linux, some basic stuff, guys. Right. Meantime, I'll share a video, guys. Right? There are around 5 to 6 uh, recorded Linux stuff. Please go through and learn some more commands. Right? Right. Next one, guys. Next one. We will start some cloud concept, guys. Right. Right. So we have AWS, Azure, right? GCP, right? We have different cloud, guys. Oracle cloud, IBM cloud, right? Right. Right. So any of this platform, please create free account here, guys. Okay. So here we use web services, guys. Okay. is a web services space. How we access this one? How we access this cloud? Right. So how we access Amazon? So guys, how we access Amazon, guys? Okay. So HTTP, guys, HTTPS web, right? Right. Amazon Web Services, guys, right? All the platform we have services, right? Services. Services, guys, plural. So the one service, we create products, plural, guys. So it's a service, one service we create products, right? So this concept is common for all the platform, guys. Okay? So it's Amazon Web Console, right? So Amazon Web Console, right? So how we access this one, guys? Web Console. So the Web Console, guys. Right. Right. So create free account, right? AWS free trial or free account. Right? So you can access this websites. Right. So here, guys, right? So go and sign up, right? Go and sign up, guys. Right? So you put your username, passwords, right? So choose free plan, guys. It's a free, right? Free plan. So here you put your contact details, your phone number, the country, Sri Lanka, the city, the goal candy, right? Colombo, right? So here you have to provide your card details, guys. A debit card, right? Visa card or MasterCard. Place your card details, right? Okay. So then you create account here, guys. Right? So once you have given all those stuff, so you create account. Right? So 12 months free offers. Okay. Right? So it's something like this. Right? It's something like this. So today, can you all create free account, guys? Can you all try to create free account in Amazon or Azure? Okay. So here, don't go for Azure, guys. Better to go for Amazon, guys. Okay. Okay. So just give your the username, your email address, the password, whatever it is, and your card details, debit card. Right? So guys, meantime, don't choose any unwanted services, guys. Right? So if you choose any unwanted services, you get charged. Right? You get charged, guys. Right? So please don't choose any unwanted services. Right? So choose free plan. So there are some free services, right? So there are some free services, see? Right? So there are some free services. So play around with these services, right? Wait. So free services, right? There are some services, guys. Right? So we have the Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, DynamoDB, Lambda, right? Something like this, right? So here, right? The services, guys. Right? Right. Wait. So wait. So view all services. Right? So view all services. So if you take Amazon, they are also services. If you take GCP, they are also services, guys. So view all services. Right? All services. Right? So compute. So management, governance, security, quantum technologies, container storage, right? So the services, guys, cloud, we have services, guys, right? Services. So let's choose one service. Let's choose one service, right? So services, right? The services, right? So let me choose EC2, guys. Is a EC2 dashboard. Is a EC2 dashboard. Is a EC2 service. We have uh, a database service. Let me choose database. A database service. So what is this one? Amazon RDS, relational database service, RDS. right? Database. We have containers like Docker, storage service, S3, EFS, FXX, right? Under storage, there are different other services, guys, right? As a S3 is a service, simple storage service, right? It's S3, guys, right? It's S3 dashboard, huh? Right. So we have services, right? Let me choose EC2, guys. E mean elastic, cloud, C, cloud compute, 2C, EC2, guys, right? Is the EC2 service, right? So we have been chosen EC2 service, guys. From the service, we create EC2 instances. So one service, we create number of products. Is a product, right? Is the product. Instances means VMs, right? From EC2 service, guys, right? We create number of EC2 instances, computers, right? Something like this. Here you get the AWS icon here. There's an arrow sign here. Here you search some services, right? Say EC2, right? EC services, right? EC2, right? And here, guys, these services across the globe, right? So whatever cloud platform you choose, right? So whatever cloud platform you choose, guys, right? These services across the world, guys, right? So you can choose the location. Say your customers are in India, choose Mumbai. If your customers are in Singapore, choose Singapore. If your customers are in Australia, choose Australia, guys. Right? Your service location is particular country. The region, guys, right? So, right? Amazon or Azure or GCP, they have created regions. Regions are nothing but the country name, guys, the name of the particular countries, right? So we have different countries, guys, right? So I have been chosen Mumbai, right? That means my data centers are in Mumbai, guys. Say if your customers are in Singapore, choose Singapore and create your machines, your data centers, your servers. Right? We are in Singapore. Right? Say if your customers are in Sydney, say choose Sydney. Right? Then you may ask question. Say customers are in Singapore, Sri Lanka, Australia. Then what is the location? We'll discuss later, guys. The cost and all is defined the region, right? Right. So right, choose the here. You choose the region. The regions are nothing but the country name. So we have Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul, Sydney, Tokyo, Canada, Europe, Iceland, and right, blah blah things, guys. So why two names, guys? Why two names? Let's say Mumbai, AP South one. Osaka. AP Northeast 3. Singapore. AP Southeast 1. So this one four guys. So this region or the country name for human understandable purpose guys. So we easily remember the names, the country names guys. What about this names guys? This name, say in your Java program, if you want to define a particular region, don't use Sydney, Singapore, Osaka, Mumbai, right? Choose this one guys. AP, Asia Pacific, South one. Okay. US, we have US East 1, US East 2, US West 2, right? Something like this. There are 4 regions, guys. So Mumbai, only one region. Singapore, only one region, right? So here guys, AWS regions, guys, right? So here, Sydney, there are 2 regions, right? We are the Amazon data centers, right? So here guys, the data centers are like this, right? So data centers. So this is one region, guys, right? This is the entire thing is one region. Let's say the Sydney or somewhere, right? The buildings, right? Blah blah things, right? They have the separate electricity cooling facilities, right? Something like this, guys, right? Right? It's one region, guys. The entire thing is one region. Clear, guys? Right? In Sydney, they have 2 regions. New Zealand, only one region. Right? So US, we have more than 6 region, guys. Or region, something like this. Right? And it's, some regions are coming up. The star, guys, the star is coming up. Still, they build the region, guys. Not fully established, still they build the region. India, we have 2 regions, right? Singapore, one region, right? Something like this, right? So here, the regions, guys. Clear, guys?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, the interconnectivity between the regions, how it's working? Like, so normally it is have a separate network, or is it connecting through the normal internet?
Yes, yes. The interconnection between region. Now see, guys, right? Right. The interconnection between region, they use high-speed fiber cables, right? So let me show you. It could be under the sea or something. So here, the region to region, they use the fiber links, guys. Right? Right? That.
So when it comes to between countries, are they using their private network or else like private cabling network, or else are they using any example, we have CMEV5, CMEV6 like that, right? So are they using the public network?
Yes, private. Virtual
Okay,
private cloud. Right? So
they have private cable line then.
yes. The virtual
Okay.
private cloud. Right? So here, look at here. So it's cloud, guys. So it's owned by, so who managed this one, guys? Amazon or Azure, right? The vendor. Amazon, right? Or it could be Azure, the vendor, guys. So it's a private, right? Right. So there's a services here. Okay. So as a human, we access their services, guys. We are the customers. Okay. The customers. So let's use the Amazon service. Right? We pay to Amazon, guys. Oh, I should. The thing is private. Right? Something like this. Right? So we access their services, the databases, EC2 instances, right? Load balancers, container services, Kubernetes, right? So it's private, right? So who manages this infrastructure? Amazon, right? Are we managing the infrastructure, is the hardware and all? No, right? The hardware and all, guys, the Amazon take care, or Azure take care, guys, right? Right. Something like this. So here we get the console, guys, something like this. Web console. So how we access the services, guys? Web Amazon Web Service, guys. Okay. Yeah. So they charge hourly, guys. The particular service, they charge hourly, guys. Okay. Using the service, we create products. For example, VMs, virtual machines, databases, right? Load balancers, right? Blah blah things. Right? And later we'll discuss virtual private cloud. Right? Right. So here, today, guys, let's create a machine, guys. Right? So if you want to create machine, use this service EC2, guys. Okay? It's a EC2 dashboard. There are some properties, instances, the image, right? The storage, networking, load balancing, auto scaling, right? There are some properties, guys, EC2 properties. Okay. So go here, choose instances, guys. So here we create VM, virtual machines, right? Instances. Okay. So let me choose Mumbai. Okay. So here instances, so here some instances are running, guys. The instance state. Some are stopped. Right? So the hardware details, blah blah things. Right? So if you want to create a machine, so if you want to install a OS, first of all, we need a machine, guys. The hardware. Right? Here we use the virtual hardware, guys. Virtual CPU, virtual memory, right? Something like this. Okay? Instances. Using this service, we create instances, launch instances, guys. Okay? Launch instances. Go here, guys. Go here and launch instances. Okay? So here, the launch instance. So here you get the machine name. Right. So we need the image, guys. Without image, can we install OS operating system? Without image, can we install OS? No, we need image, guys. Okay. And we need the hardware, guys. We need the hardware, the CPU and memory, the hardware. Without hardware, can we install OS? No, guys. We need the hardware. We need the password, guys. Security, we need the password. We need the storage. Right? We need some storage. Hard disk. Without hard drive, can we install OS? No, guys. Okay. So here, now we are going to create a EC2 machine. So we need what, guys? The image. Image. So the image, who creates this image, guys? Can we create our own image? Yes. So Amazon machine image. The thing is, Amazon already created these images. The Ubuntu, Windows, the firewalls, right? Whatever it is, they have created, guys. Right? That. We need the hardware, guys. Right? Without hardware, can we install OS? No. Right? So some amount of the memory and some amount of RAM, guys. Right? So we need a CPU. Is a virtual, guys. CPU, guys. Right? And memory, not GB bytes. Right? Is a GB bytes. Right? Right. So then what else we need, guys? The username and password. Authentication. Authentication is different. Authorization is different, guys. Authentication means username or password. Right? Authentication, you type to username and password to log into a particular machine. Authentication. Authorization means the permission, guys. Who do what, right? Then what else, guys? Username and password, the hardware. We need a hard drive. Storage, right? Without storage, without hard drive, can we install operating system? No. We need hard drive. Yes or no? Right? And give some name, guys. Right? The label. Right? So it's the what server, right? Is the your dev server, QA server, right? Is your production server, is your pre-production server. Give some name. This is for developers, dev server. testing purpose, we use QA server. The customers we give the production server, guys. Or we call the production environment, QA environment, dev environment, guys. Dev environment mean dev server, guys. Right? QA environment mean QA server. Clear, guys? Right? So if you want to create a machine, guys, you need these things, guys. Yes or no? Right? That's what they have separated, guys. This is one portion, another portion, another portion, another portion. So here, so this is one portion, another portion, another portion, another portion, another portion, right? Now they have separated like this, right? So it's a UI, right? A launch instance UI, guys, right? User interface. Who designed, guys? Amazon, right? Right. So guys, any questions so far, guys? Hope you all comfortable, guys. Right? Any questions so far? Right. All fine, right? Right. So name and text, right? Right. Say dev server, right? Dev or dev environment. Yeah. So then Amazon machine image. So here choose the image, right? So here browse AMIs, right? Right. So here, right? So here the images, right? So let's choose Ubuntu. Meantime, the focus on this part, guys, right? Choose free trial eligible, right? So let's choose Ubuntu latest version, right? Late LTS, right? And see here, guys, is that free? Yes, is that free, guys? You can take. What about this one, guys? Is that free? This red hat is free? No. What about this one, guys? It's free, guys. Right? Right. Let me choose the free one. Right? You also choose the free, guys. The free is enough to work all the demos, guys. All the labs. Right? Right. So here, Ubuntu, long-term support, hardware virtualization, it's the SSD storage, and this is the image ID, 64-bit, the Ubuntu version, right? Something like this, guys, right? Let's choose this image, right? Let's choose this one. Now, guys, we have been choosing the image, guys, right? The name of the image, description, right? The image ID is the image ID, guys. The image ID belongs to which region, guys? Mumbai. So if you go to Singapore, can we get the same image ID? No, no, guys. We get the different image ID, but we get the same image. We get the same image Ubuntu, but we get the different image ID. Image IDs are differ region to region. And say if you go to Virginia, can you get this image ID? No, guys. Right? So here we get the image the details, right? So is that done? Yes, right? Next one, next portion, instance type, the hardware, guys, the hardware, right? So T3 micro. So what is the family, guys? T3 a family. We have T2 family, T3 family, C1 family, C2 family, right? Different families, guys, for different requirement, guys, right? Right. So on demand, right? Whenever we need, we launch the instance on demand, right? Is that free, guys? Is that free? Yes. The hardware also free. What is the hardware size? 2 virtual CPU and 1 GB by RAM size. Okay. Yes, is that free? Yes, guys. Normally they charge per hour, guys. Okay. Here, key pair, guys. Okay. The login, guys. Right? Login. You may use username and password, or username and the key, guys. Key is more advanced, right? Key is more advanced, guys. What is pair, guys? What is key pair? So username and password. You can create username and password. Yes, there's a question here. So, no value. Wait, Sandaru, wait. Right. So here, key pair, guys. Okay. That means public key and public key and private key, guys. Sorry, guys. Right. So the private key. So you get the private key, guys. The key only for you, guys. Don't lose the key. Right. You secure the key, or you place the key in 2 locations. Okay. So one is in cloud storage. Other one is your machine, guys. Okay. Yes, there's a question. Okay, right? 2 places, right? Key, guys, right? So here you get the private key, the public key with Amazon, guys. Can I hold your public key, guys? Yes. Can I hold your private key? No. Right? You are in danger, guys. Right? So here, what do you get? What do you get, guys? So you get the private key, guys. It's only for you. Okay. Amazon have your public key, guys. So when you use the, or when you log into a particular resource, you upload your private key. Amazon check with your public key. Both are matching. Then you log in, guys. Right? So here, guys, key pair. Right? So create the key pair. let me put key pair, guys. So let me put something like this, for one. So right, or you give a name, your company name, or your name, or whatever it is, guys. Right? So I just put like this. I have number of keys, so I put like this. What is the type of the key, guys? RSA, guys, right? There are two different algorithms. Choose RSA. Three scientist name, right? Or ED25515, guys. Right? The type, key type. Clear, guys? The format. What is the format would you like to go for, guys? Let's choose PPK, guys. Right? Choose PPK. Right? So if you have a Linux machine or Ubuntu laptop, choose .pem key. So if you have a Windows machine, choose PPK, guys. Right? Right. So create here, create key pair, create public key and private key. Right? So once you click here, guys, right, your browser downloads your private key, guys. Observe here. Observe here. Somewhere here, guys. Right? Create key pair. So here is downloaded. Is downloaded. Is your private key, right? Right. Is done. Right. Network settings. Right? Key capacities, guys. Right? We will discuss the network settings, key capacities, storage. We need the storage, guys. We install OS. We need storage, guys. Choose 8 right? GB byte. The general purpose version 3. We have different. We have SSDs and all, right? Right. Choose this one, right? Root volume. So what is root volume? Right. So here use the word volume, right? What is root volume? Root volume means where the operating system sits, guys. Where the operating system locates. We call root volume, guys. Right? Where the OS installed, we call root volume, right? So, right? 8 GB stuff, right? GB bytes, right? So here, right. This one you keep as it is, right? Right? Here you get the summary, guys. Here you get the summary. So how many machines would you like to launch? One machine, two machines, right? So we need one machine, guys. Okay. The summary here. What is the hardware details, right? Blah blah things, right? Launch instances, guys. Right here. Here we go. Right. So it will take 1 minute, less than 1 minute to launch the machine. Okay. Later we will learn Terraform, guys. Okay. Using Terraform, less than 1 minute, we can launch more than 10 minutes, 10 instances, 10 machines. Right? Later we will discuss, right? Right. So launch instances here. Here we go, guys. Right. Now we are creating the machine. Right? It will take some time. Now see, guys, is success. Now see, guys, go here. Now see, the machine is running, guys. The machine is running here, guys. Okay. So here, the instant state is running. Okay. Now, guys, your machine is here, guys. Now, machine is inside Amazon. Okay. Now, the question is, how can we access your machine, guys? Now, the question is, how can we access your machine? It's inside Amazon, guys. Okay. So in your machine, in your machine, guys, you install putty, guys. Right? So is the free software. Go to Google and find out putty. Download. Right? You get installed, guys. Right? The putty software. Clear, guys. Right? So is any question so far, guys? Up to now, are we okay? Up to now, are we okay, guys? Any questions so far, guys? Right. So it's we go for a short break. The time is 7. We'll start 7:20, guys. Right? Sharp 7:20. Quick break. Right? Yeah, recording started, right? So it's inside Amazon. Use putty. Right? So I have already downloaded, right? The putty software. I have already downloaded, right? Let's use putty, guys. Right? So it's something like this. Okay. So go here, guys. Download. So putty for Windows, right? So go here, download the software, get the software, right? So right, so get the software, 64-bit, right? Right, right. So here your software, right? The software is like this, right? Right. The software is like this. Here, guys, here you have to place the public IP address, right? Amazon, right? Amazon, go here, go here, click here, guys. There's the instance ID. Go and click here, guys. Right? The summary of machine, the public IP address, private IP address. Get the public IP address. Copy the public IP here. The triangle sign, double triangle. Yeah, right. Go here. So here, copy here. So it's your public IP address. So go here and place, guys. Your public IP address, the port number 22. Right? Clear, guys. Okay. The connection, click connection. So here you make it 5, guys. Otherwise, you get quickly disconnected. Right? You get quickly disconnected, guys. Right? Right. Something like that. Right. Open here. Now see guys, accept. Now we got connected guys. Now we got connected. The username. So what is the username? Ubuntu. Right? Wait, what is this? Wait. The key issue guys. So put it here. Get the public IP address. Right? So connections. 5 here. Right? SH. Auth here. Authentication. Credentials. Credentials guys, we use private key, right? It's like a password, right? It's like a password, right? A browse. So choose your private key. Open here, guys. Username Ubuntu, right? Enter here. Now we logged in, guys. Now we logged in. Let me maximize. I just change the font size. So it's done. So it's done, guys. Something else. Now we all got connected, guys. Right? Now we all got connected. Right? Let me come back. Let me come back. Close this one. Close this one, guys. Right. Go here. Get the public IP address. Choose putty. Go here, guys. Here you place the IP address, public IP address. Port number, make sure 22 is a SH connection. Connections, make it 5 or more than 5, right? SH, auth, authentication. Here you pass the key. What key? The private key. Browse. Get your private key here, guys. Open. Right? Now we got connected. Username, Ubuntu. Right? Logged in, guys. Logged in. Let me change the font size. Change. Bold, make it 20, guys. Right? Big, right? Now we got connected this. Now we access Amazon Ubuntu. Right? Where this one is running inside Amazon, guys. Is it on our premises? No. It's inside Amazon. It's a VM, virtual machine. Right. Can you all connect like this? Can you all connect like this? Right? So please do practical, guys. Okay. So today, try to create a free account in Amazon or whatever cloud platform. Then launch your instances and connect your instances, guys. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Are we okay? Right. Next one, guys. Let's launch a Windows machine, guys. Right. We need one or two Windows servers. Right. Right. So let me minimize this one. Okay. Right. So here, the number one. So go to your Amazon account, guys. Right. So you are the administrator. Right. This account, you are the admin, guys. Okay, right. Go here. Launch instances. Okay, this time, let's launch a Windows machine, right? Windows CC2, guys. So go here, browse. So if the Windows machine, you have to choose what, guys? What image? Windows image, yes or no? Right? Right. Let me find out the Windows machine. Say, right. Let's go for this one. This one, guys. Windows Server 2025. Right? Is it free? Yes. Right? Yes, it's free, guys. Right? Select the operating system here. Right? Now we have been chosen, guys. Is it done? Yes. Right? Right. Go down some more, some more. So here, choose the hardware, guys. Okay. So is it free? Yes. So you can choose different hardware. The thing is, you get charged, guys. Right? Don't be choosing the high-end hardware. Right? Don't be choosing this hardware, guys. You get charged. Right? Right. Let's go for free one, guys. Right? Free one. Right. Here, the authentication. Right? Create new key pair. So here, so this is a Windows machine, right? Yes. So let's choose right, something like this, or whatever name you prefer, guys. Okay. So I put some numbers. You choose whatever name. Okay. So here, guys, since it's a Windows operating system, right? Choose PEM, guys. The type of the format, the file type format, PEM, right? Okay. Okay. So here, create key pair. So it's going to download the private key. So is that done? Yes. Now it's done, guys. So here we got the private key, guys. Right? So it's done. Network settings we will discuss, right? Wait, right? Key capacities. Okay. The storage 30 GB, guys. At Windows we need more storage, right? So let's go for 30 GB. Right. So here we got the summary. So what is the number of instances? One machine, right? One machine, right? So launch instances. So this time we launch Windows, guys, right? So view all instances, guys. So here we got the Windows machine. So it's running, guys, right? Right. So choose this one. Choose your Windows machine. Right. So here connect. Right. So here Linux machine also. You get connect, guys, right? So here choose Windows machine. Connect here. Here, guys, connect. Okay. So here choose RDB client, guys. Right. So in your machine, in your machine, if you have RDB software, remote desktop protocol, right? Right. Then no need to go here, guys. If you don't have RDB, right? So if you don't have RDB, go here, guys. Connect RDB client. So here, download remote desktop file, right? Right. Download remote, sorry. Yeah, download remote desktop file. Before that, we need the password. Okay. We need the password, guys. Like here, Windows machine, guys, do like this. We will discuss next class further, right? Right now, right? Get the password. Right? Click here, guys, get the password. Upload private key. Go here. Downloads. So here, this is the private key. We have downloaded the private key. We have downloaded decrypt password. Here we got the password, guys. It's a Windows password. Username administrator. Copy the password. Right? Right. Right. We needed software like Putty, guys. Right? Right. So download remote desktop file. So if you have RDB client, then RDB client, you place the username and the password, guys. If you don't have RDB, go here and download the software, guys, right? Go here. Now we have downloaded the RDB, right? Connect. So here, so it plays the username, guys, the password. This one, guys. So go here. Password. Okay. Let me copy the password again. Go here, paste the password, guys. Okay. Here, guys, we got Windows machine, right? So here, the Windows machine. So you do some server operation. So you install Active Directory, create users or whatever Windows software, whatever it is. Right? Right. So here we got one Linux machine and Windows machine, guys. Right? So both are running inside Amazon. Okay. So both are running inside Amazon, guys. So if you want to access Windows machine, So you need what guys? RDB guys, right? Something like this, right? Any questions so far, guys? Are you okay? The connectivity, guys, are you okay? Yes, there's a question here. Yes, at the key. Yes, we add the key. We add the key and get the passwords under. Okay. Windows machine, we add the key and get the password. Now look at here, guys. Look at here. This is what, guys? Amazon EC2 dashboard. We get different dashboards for different services, guys. We get different dashboards. Okay. Okay. Look at here, guys. Let me choose a machine here. Choose a machine. So here we get the machine details. Right. So here we get the machine details. Right. Let me click here, guys. Let me click here. Right. Right. So it's saying machine summary. Machine summary, guys. The machine ID here. The dev machine. What is the machine name? Dev machine, guys. Development machine to install Java, install Python, right? Install React, whatever software, guys. Right? Okay. So here, we have created the instance, guys. Okay, instances. So there are some properties, guys. Okay, so there are some properties, guys. Any questions so far? Any questions? All right. Yeah. So all these properties are connected with the machine, guys. Okay. So it's all these properties. So it has public IP address. So what is the purpose we use public IP, guys? Access the resource from outside. Private IP, guys, internal communication. Key authentication, the storage, the hard drive, guys. We have public DNS and private DNS. VPC, guys, virtual private cloud ID. We'll discuss further. The text, the image, and we have some alarms and all, right? Likewise, all these properties, right? All these properties connected with the machine, guys. Okay. All these things, right? Connected with the machine. Right? The instance details. Here we get the more details. Instances. So here also you get some details. The instance status, running, the something like this. Okay. So if you click here, you get more details, guys. So are we okay, guys? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Yeah. Yeah. So when we launched this instance, so it took around 20 minutes, guys. Okay. So if we launch this instance via Terraform, okay, so it will take less than 1 minute, guys. Right? Right. Later we'll see, guys. Right? Right. Up to now, any questions so far, guys? Yes, there's a question here. Yes, Madhuranga. Yes, RDB on Windows machine. Wait, the Mac, I am not quite sure about Mac. Wait, yes, Mac we have RDB. Okay, but right, Linux, I am not quite sure. That's right. So if it's a Linux, you have to use XRDB, right? You have to use, then you need a Linux desktop, guys, right? Not CLI. Use Linux desktop and you have to install XRDB for Linux users, right? In Windows, go to Control Panel. So choose RDB, guys, right? So Control Panel, you install RDB, guys. Wait. Right. Right. So Windows you use here, right? Install the separate software or use next one, right? All right. So it's something else. So can you all connect like this? Can you all connect like this? Yeah. Hope you all connect like this, guys. Yeah. Fine, fine, right? I could, right? Other one, right? Okay. So here, guys. So here instances. So here you get the status, guys. The instance status, right? You can shut down this one, right? Choose the instance. Go here. You can stop the instance, start the instance, reboot the instance, hibernate, terminate, delete, right? So delete. Let me stop the instance, right? So stop the instances, guys. Okay. So when you complete your practicals, stop the instances, guys. Then you won't get charged, guys. You won't get charged. Okay. Please stop and start. So whenever you need, go to the particular machine. Go to the particular machine, guys. Go here. Start the instance. If there's any software issue, reboot the instance, guys. If you want to delete, guys. Terminate or delete. Right? Right. So here, now it's saying stopping. The Windows machine is saying stopping, guys. Right? So we'll discuss what is hibernation later. Now we are stopping. Windows is saying stopping, still stopping, guys. That. So it will take some time to stop, right? Right. Stop. Meantime, you lose the connection, guys. Right. Right. So if there's a question here, guys, there's a question here. How do we access Linux? Is that right? Yes. Say, so let's discuss this question, right? So the question is, how do we access Linux machine to Linux machine, guys? Right? So this one is in somewhere, guys, say Mumbai. This one is in Singapore, guys. Yeah. Yes, there another question here. Yes, Ravindu, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I'll come to your question, Ravindu. Wait, right? Right. Right. Yeah, there are some charges, right? Yeah. So one is in Mumbai, guys. Other one is in Singapore, guys. Okay. From Mumbai machine, how do we access Singapore machine, guys? Okay. So both are inside the cloud, guys. Yeah. So both machine are inside the cloud, but in two different region, right? Say one machine is Mumbai, other one is in Singapore, guys. Okay. Right. So first of all, let's create two machines, right? Say this is dev machine. Say let's put this is in Mumbai, right? So let me create another machine, guys, right? So launch instance. So this is also dev machine. Singapore. This is the, let's say, assume, guys. Let's assume this one is Singapore, right? Right. So choose the operating system, right? The keep here. What is the keep? Okay. The keep here, guys. So, guys, every machine, are we going to create new key pairs or can we use the existing key pairs, guys? Yes, we do. We use existing key pairs, right? Right. So let's choose the existing key pair, guys. What is the existing key pair? So we use the existing one. If you want to create new key pair, guys, right? Whatever you prefer, right? Right. Next one, something let's. This one is in Singapore, guys. Right? Now the question is, so how do we access from here to here, guys? Right? Right. Look at here. Right. Let me connect here, guys. Right. So here, how do we access now, guys? We access both machine via putty, guys. Right? So this one also putty. This one also putty, guys. The question is, how do we access from here to here? Isn't it good? Yeah, right? Right. So let me connect the Singapore one. So this one is in Singapore machine, guys. So this one is in Mumbai machine, guys. Right? So we got two machines, right? Now the question is from here, from this machine, from Mumbai to this one, guys. How do we make the connectivity, right? Now what you can do is just minimize the like these two machines, right? So enable the firewall, guys. So we'll discuss the firewall next class. Right now, go with the flow, guys. Right. We will discuss guys, the firewall part later, right? Right. So go here, guys. So go to Singapore machine. Do like this, right? Right. So here guys, I have done some changes and I have created the password for Ubuntu user in Singapore machine, right? Right. Keep like this, right? Okay. Now go to Mumbai machine guys, right? Mumbai machine, right? So here SSH username Ubuntu, right? Here you have to place the uh, Singapore machine public IP address guys, right? So where can we find the public IP address? Say go to Amazon. Singapore machine public IP address. Get the Singapore machine public IP address. Paste guys. Right? Right. So enter. Yes, I would like to connect. The password. Now it's done guys. Now I got connected. I got connected guys from a Mumbai machine. I got connected with the Singapore machine guys. Okay. So go here. Let me create a folder and file. Say is a file folder. That now guys, minimize this one, minimize this one. Now go to Singapore machine guys, the red one, the Singapore machine guys, right? Go here LSNC guys. So here, so it's a file name now. It's in red color because I have changed the font size. See the folder, right? Something like this, guys, right? So from here, I work with Singapore machine guys, right? Yeah, hope I answered your question. So here guys, right? Go here, Singapore machine. Go here, change these settings, guys, right? Okay. Singapore machine guys. So etc SSH deconfig guys. Go to this file. Edit this file vi guys. What is vi? Edit, right? Edit this file. Go here guys. Enable this line. Enable this line guys. Password authentication yes. Number one, right? Number two. So go here, right? Go right. Go to this file. Go here. Here also password authentication. Say yes. Right. Once you have done these things, you have to restart SSH guys. Right? Right. So if you would like to enable these settings, you have to restart SSH. Right? Restart. Done. Right? Now go to your Mumbai machine. The black color one. Go here and connect guys. Right? Clear guys. Right? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Fine. Right. So let's discuss this question. There's another question regarding the cost, right? Any changes after 12 months, guys? Right? Yeah. The 12 months period is over, guys. Right? So what happened to these services? Now see, guys. Let me show you something. 12 months free offers. Okay. So notable offers first 12 months following AWS account sign up, including some level of free usage. So what about this service, guys? Is that free? Yes. Is that free? Yes. Right. So some of the services free for 12 months, guys. Right. So if you launch the EC2 machine, is free, guys. Right. So when your 12 months free usage terms expires, or your application use exceeded the trials, you simply pay standard pay as to go service rates, right? See each service page for full pricing details, right? So after 12 months, guys, you have to pay, guys. Right now it's free, guys. Say you create a free account, you launch the machine. Is it free? Yes. Now see, guys, yes, it's free. It's free for how long? Right? It's free for how long, guys? Now see, guys. Now see. So let's search AWS free EC2, guys. Sorry, AWS free, guys. Yeah, I'll discuss this one, guys. Next class, what about this amount and all, right? Right. So we need more time, right? Yeah. So let's choose Amazon EC2, guys. Right? So offer, so you launch the EC2 machine. Sorry, you launch a machine, EC2, right? Right. Over 750 instances and choose uh, right. So wait. I try to find out the page. Right, now see guys, 750 hours is a monthly limit, guys. Okay, so it's more than enough. Okay, so per month, 750 hours free, guys. I launched the machine here. I launched the machine, right? Per month, 750 hours is free, guys. Say if I go beyond 750 hours, I get charged, guys. So right now it's a free, yes. What is the reason? I use a free account. Since I use free account, if I go beyond 750 hours, I get charged, right? So here, 750 hours is monthly limit. Don't cross this limit, guys. That's what I am saying. Stop and start the instances. Once to launch the instance, do your practical, you stop. Again, start and stop, stop, right? So monthly, don't cross this limit, guys, right? It's not an annual limit. It's something about limit. The hours can be used across multiple instances, guys. As long as the total monthly usage does not exceed 750 hours, usage is counted separately for these instances versus Windows instances. So you also get 750 hours T2 mic is free, guys. So here, so I use T2 micro. Is it free, guys? The hard drive is free? Yes. What about Ubuntu, guys? The image is free? Yes. Right? So 1 month, guys, this free for, sorry, not 1 month, 750 hours. Right? So I got a free account, right? Free account, right? Okay. So if you go beyond 750 hours, you get charged, guys. So right, 751, you get charged, right? The charges we will discuss next class, guys. So we need one class for the charges, guys, right? This is for what, guys? Your machine, your EC2, guys. So if you go for database, right, there should be different hours here, guys. Let's say 100 hours. So it's free. Is your database, right? Something like this, right? So if you go for your load balancer, right? Load balancer, the hitting, the number of hits, right? Say 100 hits. 100 hits is free, guys. Is for your load balancer, right? Something like this, guys, right? So these things differ service to service, guys, right? Something like this. So if you do the machine per month, you use 750 hours, guys, free. Okay, right. We will discuss the charges, guys, right? Right. So far, any questions, guys? So far, any questions? And meantime, don't choose any unwanted services, right? So here, so these services are free, guys. Okay. So go and refer, learn more, right? Right? Learn more. Say, okay. So here you get the details. Okay. So benefit for EC2 instances, guys. So some use cases where we use the EC2 instances. Right. Something like this. So here you get the some idea, guys. Easy to offers broadest and deepest compute platform, which offers 750 instances and choose of the latest processor, storage, networking, operating system, blah blah things. You choose this one. So on demand, that means so it's the on demand. So here we launch some instances or on demand, right? Anyway, go on, guys. Right? Something like this, right? So the on instances, blah blah things. So you choose your machine depends on your requirement, guys. Right? Right. Sometimes you need more CPU. Sometimes you need more memory size. Right? Sometimes you need more IO site. Right? It depends on your requirement. You choose the hardware. Right? Something like this. Right? We'll further discuss. Right? So, far, any questions up to now? There's a question. Is it I discuss next class case? Wait some time. Today we don't have time to discuss yes or no. So guys, today, so if you have time, so please create an Amazon account, guys, free account, right? So you give your the email address, your phone number, your address, your debit card details. Very easy, guys. Okay. Right. So here, okay. Let me get another browser, guys. Wait, I'll show you guys. So AWS, so go here. AWS free, try a, right? So get free account. So here, create free account, guys. So here, guys, root email address. So your email address. So let's say account name, AWS testing. Sorry, Devops test or something, or whatever name, guys. Right. So go here and verify email address. Once you click here, guys, then you get the email. Okay. Once you get email, travel from that particular email, guys. Right. So you get the verification code. Right. So once you place the verification code and verify, is it okay? You get the balance these things, guys. Okay. So right. So is any questions so far? So if you don't have any questions, guys, then we will wind up today, guys. So guys, goodbye, good night.